Hi, this is Carmen Mason, and this is a part 2 to how to create your own virtual Meet the Teacher for this upcoming school year. So we left off on making a clickable button. So that's what we want to continue doing here with the rest of our links. So I went ahead and created a few extra slides with the topics that I like. So I want an all about me, a my favorite section, a my experiences section, and a contact me. Now, if you notice, what I did here is I changed the color of the text. I put a text box here where I can type my contact information, and then I copy and pasted that house button for every page. Now, when I go ahead and click on that house, you'll see in the editing side of things that it'll come up and it'll say first slide. When it's blue, when you click on the text box, that means that it is linked. So that is the correct link for this slide. So that way when I go into present mode and I click on that house, it's going to take me back to that first slide, which is exactly what you want to make it interactive for the students and the parents. And I went ahead and made sure that there was a button for every single one, and I'm going to make sure that those are all linked by clicking on them. So this one is linked to slide 2, which is correct. That's the all about me. This one is my experiences, which should be slide 4, and that one does not have a clickable button yet. So I'm going to create a new text box. It gives me a guide for how big the button is. And then I'm going to click in this top left corner here. And I'm going to go ahead and right click, press link, slides in this presentation. Now, sometimes this happens as to where you can't view it. So all I'm going to do is move the text box up to here, right click, link, and now if you look over here, it's slide 4. That is green with the experiences. So I'm going to click slide 4, apply, and now this text box is linked to slide 4. So I'm going to click and drag it and place it right back over that circle. This one isn't linked yet, so I'm going to do the same thing. Text box, click and drag, left-hand corner, link, and the orange one, which is my favorite, is slide 3. Link it to slide 3, apply. Oh, sometimes this will happen if you're still in the typing mode. So what you're going to do is go ahead and delete that and try again. So you're going to find that text box again. Make sure that your black cursor isn't blinking. Link it and try one more time for slide 3. There we go. And our last button here, text box, contact me is slide 5. I'm going to drag it up here so I can view it. Link and slide. Oh, still can't see it. I'm going to move it up. Link, slide 5. Apply and cover it up. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to insert your Bitmoji. So you're going to go up here, and in your Bitmoji, you're going to type in pose. Now, I really like this one here where I'm jumping and falling. So I'm going to click and drag, bring it in, and resize it so that way I'm the center. You can also use a picture of yourself. If you want to erase the background so it blends in, go to remove.bg and upload a picture of yourself, save it, and put it in here. Now we're going to create a title. Now, I did tell you about the add-on Magic Rainbow Unicorn. What you can do to access that is click on Addons, Get Add-ons. And this is going to bring you to the Suite Marketplace. You're going to go up here to the search and type in Magic Rainbow Unicorns. And then you're going to apply it to your add-ons. You'll follow the steps, and then it'll come up here onto your add-ons. And then to turn it on, you just press Start. So I'm going to go ahead and insert another text box. And this is going to be our Meet the Teacher. Meet the Teacher. Select. We're going to make it bold. I'm going to change the text to this font. Make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to rainbow unicorn it. Start the rainbow magic. There we go. Exit out of there. Center it. And to double check that all of your links work, all you have to do is go into present mode and go through it just like you would if you were a parent or a student. And if it's not linked, all you have to do is go back and create that text box and make sure it's correct. I hope you have fun creating your virtual Meet the Teacher. Bye.